Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
3 reasons why Bitcoin reaching $50,000 in 2023 is possible. The price of Bitcoin could reach $50,000 in 2023 due to 3 main reasons. First, the cryptocurrency market in 2019 experienced a very similar price action to this year, where the price of Bitcoin increased from $3,500 to $10,500. Assuming a factor of 3 for price increases in 2023, it would reach $50,000. Secondly, it is expected that fiat monetary policy will stabilize, which would increase the value of Bitcoin. Finally, if cryptocurrency regulation becomes stricter, it could increase confidence in Bitcoin and make its price outperform altcoins, which would increase its dominance and therefore its price. Although we could still face a drop, the price of Bitcoin should increase in the medium term and is expected to reach $50,000 again in the second or third quarter of 2023. Matic will surpass Bitcoin, predicts analyst. Financial analyst Wilson Withiam has published an article in which he predicts that the cryptocurrency Matic will surpass Bitcoin in the near future. Withiam works as a research analyst at Messari and has explained that the technology behind Matic is more advanced than that of Bitcoin, giving it a significant competitive advantage. The Matic platform is scalable, meaning it can process a greater number of transactions at faster speeds and with lower fees than Bitcoin. Additionally, Matic is compatible with the ETHEREUM network, further expanding its utility and growth potential. Although Bitcoin remains the most popular cryptocurrency in the market, experts suggest there is room for other cryptocurrencies, such as Matic, to grow and consolidate. Withiam's forecast has generated a lot of interest among investors and has put Matic on the radar of many. While no one can predict with certainty how the cryptocurrency market will evolve, the growth potential of Matic is huge and it could become one of the main cryptocurrencies in the future. U.S. prepares to try to control the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. The U.S. Department of the Treasury announced its intention to implement stricter regulations for the cryptocurrency market, including Bitcoin, with the aim of increasing transparency and preventing the illegal use of cryptocurrencies in activities such as money laundering and terrorist financing. The new regulations could affect the custody of cryptocurrencies, transactions, and user identification, which could increase the cost and complexity of operations. However, some experts see this as a positive signal in the long term, as it could increase acceptance of cryptocurrencies by the public and financial institutions, as well as help to prevent fraud and market manipulation. The details of the regulations are expected to be revealed in the coming months. Will XRP finally move up if Ripple wins against SEC? XRP, the cryptocurrency associated with Ripple, has been in a state of uncertainty since the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a lawsuit against Ripple in December 2020. The lawsuit accuses Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, which has led to a significant drop in the price of the cryptocurrency. However, Ripple has filed a motion to dismiss the SEC's lawsuit, arguing that XRP is a digital currency and not a security. If Ripple wins the lawsuit, it's possible that the price of XRP will recover, although some experts believe that regulatory uncertainty will continue to impact the price of the cryptocurrency. Helium Network sets migration to Solana for March. Helium Network's IoT Devices network will move to Solana's blockchain starting in March. The migration will allow greater capacity and speed of the network, and will improve the scalability and interoperability of Helium. In addition, Solana has a lower transaction fee and allows for the creation of smart contracts. Helium Network uses its own cryptocurrency, HND, to incentivize user participation in the network and provide a decentralized IoT solution. Active Bitcoin addresses concern analysts despite price gains. Despite Bitcoin's 50% price gains since mid-December 2022, some analysts are concerned about the declining number of active Bitcoin addresses. According to Glassnode, a blockchain data analytics firm, the number of active Bitcoin addresses has dropped to levels similar to those of 2020. Some analysts believe that this could be a sign that fewer people are using the cryptocurrency as a form of payment or long-term investment. However, others point out that this decline may be temporary and not necessarily indicative of a long-term trend. Ethereum has been in deflationary territory for 50 consecutive days. The Ethereum network has been in deflationary territory for 50 consecutive days, meaning that there are fewer ETH in circulation than are being emitted. This is due to the implementation of the EIP 1559 upgrade in August 2022, which burned a portion of transaction fees and reduced the supply of ETH. In addition, the amount of ETH locked in smart contracts has also increased, further reducing the supply in circulation. This scarcity of supply could contribute to a future increase in the price of ETH. Altcoins gain ground over Bitcoin in bullish market. While the price of Bitcoin has been relatively stable over the past few weeks, many altcoins have experienced significant price increases. In fact, some altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin in terms of price gains in recent days. Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot, and other projects have experienced a strong price increase and have surpassed Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. Analysts believe that this increase in altcoin prices is a sign that investors are looking for new investment opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. U.S. regulatory crackdown led to $32 million digital asset outflows. CoinShares. Crypto investment firm CoinShares has reported that investors have withdrawn about $32 million from digital assets in recent weeks due to growing regulatory pressure in the United States. London-based CoinShares said the money was primarily withdrawn from Bitcoin and Ethereum. The firm highlighted that most investors are still holding on to their digital assets, but some have opted to liquidate their positions. Digital asset regulation has intensified in the U.S. in recent months, leading some firms to scale back or exit their operations in the country. Bitcoin could reach $300,000 but then enter a 2- or 3-year winter of declines. According to Bloomberg analyst Mike McGlone, the price of Bitcoin could reach $300,000 in 2021 due to institutional adoption and decreasing supply. However, after this peak, it is expected to enter a 2- to 3-year winter with significant price declines. McGlone also highlights that Bitcoin's market capitalization could surpass that of gold in the near future, reaching $10 trillion. He also assures that the rise in the cryptocurrency's price is due to institutional demand, which is driving its use and acceptance. Cosmos Foundation allocates $40 million for ecosystem development in 2023. The Interchain Foundation of Cosmos, an organization working on creating an interoperable blockchain network, has announced it will allocate $40 million for the development of its ecosystem in 2023. This budget will be used to support projects, development teams, and communities working on creating decentralized applications on the Cosmos network. The foundation also plans to launch a project acceleration program as well as improve accessibility to the Cosmos network for developers and users. Cosmos has seen significant growth in its market value in recent months, which could further drive the development of its ecosystem. Ethereum Chapelle upgrade gets new date, making way for unstaking ETH. The Ethereum Chapelle upgrade is scheduled to be implemented next July, according to a recent announcement from the Ethereum Foundation. This upgrade will allow validators to be removed, making the ETH unstaking process easier for investors. In addition, the upgrade will also include improvements in network efficiency and security, as well as the integration of new smart contract functions. China reportedly has planned to regain cryptocurrency industry dominance. According to anonymous sources cited by Reuters, the Chinese government is developing a plan to regain its leadership role in the cryptocurrency industry. The plan would include the creation of new regulations for mining and trading cryptocurrencies, as well as the promotion of research and development of new blockchain-related technologies. Bitcoin 2024 halving will be its most important. Interview with Charles Edwards. Charles Edwards, CEO of cryptocurrency analysis from Capriole, claims that the upcoming Bitcoin halving in 2024 will be the most important one for the cryptocurrency. According to Edwards, this halving will have an even greater impact than the previous two on the price of Bitcoin due to the change in available supply. Additionally, Edwards predicts that the price of Bitcoin will reach $100,000 by the end of 2023 and $1 million by 2025. The Capriole CEO also discusses the importance of institutional investors in the cryptocurrency market and their impact on the mass adoption of Bitcoin. Paraguay bets on Bitcoin mining to boost its economy. The Paraguayan government is working to boost its economy through Bitcoin mining. The country seeks to leverage its renewable energy resources and attract foreign investors interested in the cryptocurrency. According to the president of the Paraguayan Cryptocurrency Association, the country has great potential to become a Bitcoin mining hub due to its low energy costs. However, some experts warn of the risks and volatility of the cryptocurrency. Paraguay thus joins other Latin American countries such as Venezuela, Argentina, and El Salvador in their bet on crypto mining.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking